Hi, this is Andrea Earl with your Canvas 2-minute tip of the day, number 10, saving your course content and creating a master course. The benefit of a master course is that you can then rearrange the content in any order that makes sense for you for your planning for next year. And you can modify any lessons now so you don't forget what changes you wanted to make. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can import content into a master course. Start by starting a new course from your dashboard on the bottom right-hand side, naming it, including the word master in the title, and then creating the course. You can now import course content by going to the Import Existing Content, copy a Canvas course, and then find the course you want to import. If you begin by typing in a few of the letters, it should show up. When importing course content, you want all of the content, but you want to adjust the dates and actually remove them. Then when you select Import, all your lessons, files, and settings will come into your master course without any of the student work. Once you've finished importing your course content, you'll want to go back and check all of your lessons, especially those that use LTI tools, because they don't always import completely. A second option for saving your course content is to create a course export file. If you're going to want to import that content back into Canvas, you will need to start a new course. But to create the course export file, again, go into your course. Under Settings, you're going to export course content. Create an export by clicking on the Create Export button and wait while it processes. Once your export has been completed, you will get an email. You may need to refresh this page in order to see the new course export file. When I click on the file, I'm now going to save it to my desktop or any location of your choice. Now remember, you cannot do anything with this export file until you import it into a Canvas course. To do that, I go back to my master course and I import existing content. This time from the drop-down under Content Type, I'm going to select Canvas Course Export Package. Again, I'm going to choose the file, select all content, adjust the dates, remove the dates, and import. Now, if you're retiring or leaving the district, you can create a free account at canvas.instructure.com, create a course there, and import your content, and you'll still have access to everything. I hope you enjoyed this Canvas tip of the day. Please like and subscribe. More tips can be found at bit.ly/Earl Canvas Tutorials.